I'm Katy Perry, and this is your StockTwits update. Happy Friday. Tech is tanking, sentiment's crashing, and bulls are asking, what is the next catalyst? Let's get into yesterday's biggest movers. It seems like the market has divorced dad energy lately, and investors are rattled. Hear me out. The SPY just lost its uptrend line, and traders are watching the 200-day moving average as the next major level of support. But here's the real panic. Despite the indices being less than 5% off all-time highs, investor sentiment is collapsing. Yeah, it's a confidence issue. The AAII sentiment poll hit 61% bearish, the highest level ever for such a small market pullback. So what's driving the insecurity? High growth favorites like PLTR, AppLovin, and Hims have been getting wrecked for 2 weeks straight. These are retail stocks, so naturally many traders are feeling the pain, much like Ben Affleck on a random Tuesday. On StockTwits, sentiment is neutral as traders reassess whether this is a dip to buy or a breakdown in progress. NVDA crushed earnings, but AI stocks still got slaughtered. Despite beating across the board, NVIDIA couldn't stop the bleeding in AI stocks. Supermicro down 15% and Vistra down 11% led the sell-off as traders took profits and questioned what's next. Amazon is diving into quantum computing, a big move for the future and for nerds in general, but traders don't care about a decade from now. Amazon barely moved. And Coinbase got a break, but it didn't really matter all that much. The SEC dropped its case against the crypto exchange. They actually dropped a lot of cases this week. But Bitcoin's sell-off kept the stock in the red. But hey, it wasn't all bad. Root Inc., up 23%, shocked the shorts. The insurance company posted 68% year-over-year revenue growth and a surprise profit, flipping the script on one of the most shorted stocks in the market. KickRock short sellers and Snowflake, up 5%, got a flurry of analyst upgrades. At least 13 brokerages raised their price targets after strong earnings, with Cantor Fitzgerald setting the highest at $228. What's cooler than being cool? And Marathon Digital stayed in the game. They were up 6%. The Bitcoin miner delivered record revenue and announced a new AI infrastructure initiative because everything needs that, apparently. Economic data to watch today. We've got core PCE price index, retail and wholesale inventories, and the Chicago PMI, and even more earnings. In the pre-market, we've got Fubo TV, TeraWolf, Nordic American Tankers, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, and Frontline. Aftermarket, well, it's of course the Week in Rip with Ben and Emil for your always hilarious recap of the week in markets. And I will see you next Monday live on StockTwits at 9 a.m. for the Daily Rip with everyone's favorite Panagonia-wearing co-host, Stock Savvy Shy. We'll see you then.